Hello everyone, welcome to my another new video. Today we will discuss with you how a brain MRI is done. First of all, the three images you see here are called localizers. And this image is the sagittal image, this one is the coronal, and this one is the axial. Now we will do the planning on the coronal. The planning on the coronal will be salad, and on one cell, following the position, we are doing the planning. Take a look. The anti-rotational stereo should cover the entire brain. Now, as we can clearly see, our sagittal image has successfully appeared on the screen. When the sagittal image has appeared, which is an important step in the process, we are now proceeding to do the coronal planning on one specific slice. This particular slice is the one that contains the corpus callosum, which is a significant structure in the brain. Okay, now apply. Now the planning we will do is on one slice, the T2 TSI slice. We increase the distance factor a bit, and here the slices are set. 24 o'clock, yes, the thickness is set to 4 millimeters. And the planning will be done on one slice. Sagittal and coronal. On top of the image. Look. Here, we are observing a pathology at 1 o'clock. Okay, following the anatomical position, we have nicely set up the planning. Now apply it. When we apply this, the rest of the sequences, like FLAIR T1, SWI, are also included. All of these will be automatically copied, since we will be pushing contrast for this patient. For doing the contrast, this T1 TSC, meaning we will set up the planning for it. For the normal T1 sequence that is there, we will just copy it over. Okay, now this is the dark fluid copy slice in the session region. This has been copied. Now let's apply it and let's check the coronal. Also, let me tell you that contrast will only be applied to the T1 sequences. Okay, now we've set up the sagittal, just to be sure. We'll take the 3D MPR of the contrast. We'll keep the 3D for the contrast at 1 o'clock. Now, once all these contrast sequences are done, then we'll come to the contrast section and post the contrast. That's it. If you liked the video, please share it with others. Thank you, everyone.